Good morning! So today we are doing a really fun video. I don't know if you guys have seen this like floating across the internet yet, but there is a Instagrammers control my life for a day trend happening, and that's exactly what we're gonna do today. So I have no makeup on, my hair is like doing its thing, not even like fully dressed yet. So far I have asked my Instagram followers. If you haven't followed me already, my Instagram is michellmills_. So I'm going to show you guys what we have going on so far as the polls. Because I put a few up so that I can just like get ready for my day in like one big swoop. Okay, so far on the gram, we have asked... Oh no, you can't do that to me, guys. I actually have to go put makeup on like right now. And then I asked if I should drink coffee or tea. And then I've asked which outfit I should wear. And I tried taking a picture of that one like this, like tried taking a picture of two, made it look like one, but it wasn't appealing. So I had to make it look good. I actually don't mind whichever they choose. So let's see what they choose. Okay, so it's been a few hours. I actually went out to eat breakfast with my mom. We went to Clean Juice and we got some like smoothie bowls. So while I was doing that, I let Instagram vote to see what I'm doing today. So I showed you guys, I'm like on my phone. So I'm gonna show you an update on what you guys chose and what I'm about to go have to do. I got my tea. I just brewed it's like a vanilla oolong tea, and I'm going to start that makeup look that I showed you guys. So basically, since I went out with my mom, I did a little bit of makeup already, so I have like my face done. So all I'm gonna do is go in and put like eyeshadow and do my eye makeup. So you guys already know this, but I am no makeup artist, so we are going to try our best in recreating this look right here. So basically it was like an olive look or a pink look, and you guys chose the pink, and I think you chose it because it's summertime right now. So I'm gonna go in and try my very best. We'll see how this goes. For people that actually know what they're doing with makeup, I'm literally gonna hurt your feelings with how I do my makeup, so I'm warning you right now. So basically, I actually used to be kind of like an artist when I was in high school, and so like I'm probably gonna do this from a very like artsy perspective and not at all how you're actually supposed to do your makeup. So don't kill me. And actually the settings on my camera are a little bit more pink tones. So I'm actually going in with this color right here, and it's a little bit more orangey, and so it looks like on this look there's like orange at the very top of it, like a more orangey look. Well, the camera doesn't make it look orange, but in person it's orange. And then it has a really dark outer corner, and then it's kind of light in the middle and the end. And so what it looks like to me is that I'm gonna go in with this. It's L'Oreal True Match Lumi Glow, and so it's an illuminator, and so like I just want to do the highlighted part first, so I'm gonna. It's looking kind of patchy. I can do this. So I can't do a dramatic look to literally save my life, so this is definitely more dramatic than I wear on a daily basis, so bear with me. And I don't see that they put anything on the lower lash line because she's like looking down, but I like it when there's color down there. So I have the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette And I'm gonna try to darken up the outer corner of my eye with this. Okay, like now what? Someone needs to come help me. Hey guys, so I'm really trying my best over here, but I've just spent the last 10 minutes on this look. So now I'm gonna go ahead and just like pop on some like liner and mascara, and I'm gonna call it a day because your girl is not a makeup artist. The worst thing is I curled my eyelashes this morning and now they're like as straight as a board again. Do you guys have that problem? Do you guys have curly lashes or do you have straight lashes? Because mine literally stick out straight out of my head and I hate it. Okay. What they did, what I did. Your girl tried her best. I feel like you definitely have to have a good camera with a specific like lens width to make this look good. Otherwise it's just like my head looks weird in the camera. Anyway, so you guys picked out my outfit. I'm gonna go ahead and change into that. It was between a romper and a like shirt and black shorts, and you guys chose the shirt and black shorts. So I'm gonna go ahead and change into that, and then I'm gonna go shopping and bring you guys along with me. As promised, my hair's frizzy. That's why I didn't do it. So now I'm with Emily. Hi. And we are going to go shopping like I told you guys. And I'm just in the car. I'm gonna eat this dragon fruit and just like a tiny salad. But I'm trying to think of things to ask you guys like while I'm shopping. One I know is I'm gonna ask if we should go out to eat and probably get sushi, or if we should make a recipe out of, what's the name of that book?
Thug Kitchen.
Thug Kitchen, yeah. It's like a vegan cookbook. So I'm gonna ask you guys that now. So after doing my makeup, I asked you guys how I did, and it's so funny because the people that voted like kinda sorta, they're all people that are really good at makeup. So I kind of failed. And then so yada yada yada, I asked you guys whether me and Emily should get sushi for dinner or if we should try a new recipe. And we both want to try a new recipe, but you guys are letting us down. No, I mean, it's not like we don't eat sushi almost every day of our lives, so guess we're getting sushi. What I'm about to do, we're in this store and we have a bunch of jewelry and we're gonna ask whether or not I should get like this one or this one, and Emily was like, oh, I'm gonna ask too because she has two different ones, and we're actually holding one of the same ones. And we twin a lot, and she's like, I told her I was gonna put on Instagram, oh, should we be twins and buy the same one? She was like, no, I'm gonna make them say no. Instagram isn't voting quick enough, so right now we just like decided to try on some clothes while we wait. And so I asked about the necklaces and if me and Emily should twin, and then I asked about some of her shirts, and so now we're just trying to kill time while people decide. Right now the necklace is winning, so like I have a little like bar marble necklace, and then they just like didn't say anything for my friend's shirt, so I'm gonna try some stuff on. So the first thing I tried on is like this little tank top with ruching in the middle, and I really like it, but the problem is the straps don't have, I can't like tighten them at all. They don't have like a little tightener strap. So I don't know. I mean, I think this looks very cute, but I don't know if this will bother me in the long run. Now I have on this red one and I would like it, but see how it's like being weird in my armpit? It doesn't like go down at all. I like the straight across look, but I don't think I'm feeling this. So the results are in for this store. So basically I'm getting the necklace and so is Emily. And then she's not getting either because she didn't like it, and it's 50-50. So you guys end up voting So actually, I have to show you. So you guys ended up voting 50-50 necklace or earrings, and I ended up getting neither. So instead, I got the top that I showed you guys, the little black one. It looks like this. And then we didn't end up getting matching necklaces yet. She hasn't even bought anything yet. But what I'm doing instead is I'm gonna show you guys, or I'm gonna ask what to put inside of our sushi, because we asked whether we should get sushi or make a recipe in the house, and you guys voted sushi. So I'm gonna show you the polls now. Yeah, so you guys ended up voting 50-50 necklace and earrings. So I actually didn't get either because I didn't like the gold of that necklace. It was a little bit too yellow. And so now I'm saying like, oh, we're gonna build a sushi roll together. And so we're gonna do avocado in the inside, and then you guys vote carrot versus cucumber, and then mushroom versus asparagus, and then what should we put on the top of it, avocado or mango?
Also jalapeno in it.
Yeah, we're also gonna put jalapeno, but we're not gonna let you guys vote because like, we love it. Okay, the results for dinner are in. So we're gonna order avocado on the inside with cucumber, asparagus, and avocado on top. So I'm gonna call that in now. We're actually just gonna get takeout with some miso soups. So, I'm pooped. Do you guys ever get tired from shopping? Because I'm like done. We were gonna eat like in the sushi place, but I know there's gonna be a wait, so I'm like, takeout, please. So I'm gonna ring-a-ding-ding them and order. And yep. I wasn't kidding. I'm so tired. Turns out I actually had an iron deficiency from my vegan diet. Since then, I have been supplementing with iron and of course B12, and I feel fantastic now. Just an update. It's like 8 o'clock and I'm just like laying in bed. I guess I just wanted to chat real quick. Let me turn my music off. I just wanted to chat real quick and explain to like, if you feel extreme fatigue and you have like eczema or allergies or asthma, like it's just because your immune system is trying its best to heal your body, and it truly just takes a lot out of you. So I'm beat right now. I will show you guys the sushi we got, and we're gonna eat that probably in a few minutes. But I am just like, I'm so tired. Bom bada bom. Here's the sushi that you guys voted for. Super yummy.
I don't really, maybe I'm just not deep enough for it, but
I wasn't following it either.
I kind of get it. But
oh wow, that smells amazing. Yeah, so basically it's just a bunch of green stuff. Oh my gosh, you guys voted for all the green things. The inside of the roll is literally just green.
yeah.
Well, it looks good at least. Thanks, guys.
Oh, shut up. It's like,
I am absolutely stopping the vlog here. Your girl's tired. I'm gonna go eat my sushi. This was a pretty fun day. I like you guys choosing stuff because I went adventurous with my eyes, if this can be called adventurous. For me, it's something different. And I don't know, it's kind of cool. I liked going shopping, but it's actually pretty tough to go shopping because like people weren't on Instagram that much when we were trying to shop, and so we were like wandering around the store being just like trying to waste a bunch of time so that you guys can vote so we can get our stuff, and then we end up ignoring you guys anyway. But you know what? It was a cool experience. We done did the thing. But I'm gonna sign off now. Love you guys.